Yo, what is up, NASCAR Gang Squad? It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog, back at it with another banger video. Before we get started, click on the like, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. Oh, let me go ahead and get the camera cleaned, just give me 1 second. Hold on, I'm just gonna use my grandma's shirt for that. Alright, there we go. Alright, so today, we're gonna be doing a sound comparison. And anyways, without any further ado, let's get started, NASCAR Gang Squad. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Here we go. Alright, so there we go. That's number one. Now let me go ahead. I'm going to cover up the camera. There we go. Let's go ahead and let's do this right here. We're going to do a sound comparison. So let's do it. Sorry if I'm moving too much. Alright, NASCAR Gang Squad, I guess that's going to probably wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, and please leave a comment down below which one of, but I want you to decide which one is better. Is it the one up there or is it the one right here? Comment down below your thoughts of this video. I mean, my opinion, I would say this one, but I want you to leave your opinions in the comments down below. I want you to leave your thoughts in the comments, and I guess that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until for next time, I will see you all for another banger, and as always, peace!